Hello friends, welcome to AM channel. In this video, we will see how to add autoresponder from cPanel. So, after logging in our cPanel dashboard, go to email section and we have option autoresponders. Click on it. Now, after coming in autoresponder section, here we can see currently one autoresponder is added here. I will remove it. Delete autoresponder. Now I will add here one autoresponder so that if any email received to our email account, so that automatically one reply will be sent from our webmail account or from our email account. So we will check here how to add autoresponder now. Now in managing section, select our domain name from which we have to send the emails. We can set here autoresponders for every domain or every email account. So here to add autoresponder to any email receiving on any username, or username will be considered as any user @amchannel.in. So now I will click on add autoresponder. Now here are some notes that you can refer while adding autoresponder. Here it is asking for the interval after what time the auto email will be sent to the email ID from which we have received an email. Here you can write numbers, not in points or negative numbers, only full number like 0, 1, 2 hour, 3 hour, anything like this. So I will add 0 here. Now in email section, this email will be used for sending email to sender's email address. I will add my info@amchannel.in, select the proper domain from drop down box. Now here from you have to add a name so that that name will be shown in the inbox of sender's email. Like here I can add my name or my company name or organization name, anything which we have to show in from where this email has been received. So I will add here AM channel. Now what subject you want for that auto-responded email, I will keep same subject, means the subject which sent by the sender. On that same email he will receive a response from this autoresponder. Now I will add here my autoresponder email or my autoresponder. What will be my autoresponder here? Thank you for contacting AM channel. We will get back to you soon. Thanks. AM channel. Now if your message has HTML code, now don't forget to check this box. It shows that this message contains the HTML content so that it can process properly and send the proper email to the recipient. Now here make sure send or process this auto response immediately. Stop is never stop. Else you can custom this when you want to schedule these autoresponded emails. As well, you can stop these emails on specific days. Like, consider if you are going for a holidays for 4 to 5 days, then you can select the start date. From start date, here should be your start date and here should be your end date, so that this autorespond should be sent to your senders automatically, so that I will be get back to you after this date or after some time or after 2 days, like this message will be received. So I will click here immediate and stop never and click on modify. Autoresponder is now successfully created. Now I will write from my Gmail account to info@amchannel.in. My subject should be just a checking email. Whatever you can write, whatever your subject should be, but I'm just trying it or just showing you the feature of autoresponder. So here is my email, just want to meet you, and click on send. Now you can check from Gmails or from email your emails. So here you will receive, here I received same email because I have configured my webmail account to my Gmail account, so that same email will be received to me. But if you check, we will receive an auto response email as well. Let me reload this again. Here it is, and the name is AM channel. From we have kept this AM channel. So just checking email, subject is same, and my body is the message that I have added there. Thank you for contacting AM channel. We will get back to you soon. Thanks. And you can use this feature if you are on holidays, or for if there is any situation like you are not available for 1 hour, 2 hour, sometimes if you are busy, or if you are out of office, so that you can use this feature of autoresponder and your users will get the message. And let me know how would you find this feature, and don't forget to like and subscribe AM channel. Thank you again.